Ingat ka. Dalawa na lang kayo kung naglalaban.
Yes, we have the drugs. On our way back now.
Ethel TV, good evening.
Lock them. No, I can handle this.
Thank you pa. Thank you nga pala sir nung Saturday, nag-join ka sa live ko. Lisong Son TV, good evening. What? 3 likes. 3 likes. Takol. Sandali sir ha, iset ko lang ang laptop.
May mapikuha kayo, bibigyan mo kayo ng napakalaking discount.
ako, sir. Taga Negros Occidental.
Yun. May girlfriend ka ba?
Wala, no?
Pakasal tayo.
Taga Negros Occidental po ako.
Gusto ko na lang magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Kung matatawag mo sa akin. Kaya huwag mo na maging katapusan ng mundo.
Ano ba nangyayari? Sa loob?
Yung lugar ko malapit lang sa Canlaon Volcano.
Isang bagong epidemya at muling susubok sa kapanaganap.
Sinakala ka pagdating mo kami galing na lima. Ano naman nakakangawang sa kanya?
Kailangan pa namin. Kailangan ko ng kooperasyon.
Dahil in April,
Simple kaya ng hallucination yun at hindi disease.
kakarit na
Inalakpan mo lahat ng mga leon.
Kailangan natin magtulungan.
ang thrilling Korean drama.
Tugutuhan.
Patapusan na ng mga nasin.
Thank you po, Sir Ethel.
Hintay mo tayo. Uli ito nasa likod.
O, nag-alboroto naman kanina ang Canlaon.
Akala ko mag-isa na lang ako.
Kailangan natin magsabi ng ligtas.
Ah, okay. Taga Cebu po kayo.
Hindi ko alam kung paano magbabago ang mga tao pag na-corner.
Ano yung maging masaya?
Happiness. Simula April 21 na 10:15 p.m. sa ating Kapamilya Channel.
Pamamanhid at tusok-tusok, take doctor prescribed Neurobion. It's 4 times B12 versus 8
Marunong pala kayo sir, ha, na magbutingting ng makina ng sasakyan.
Nanood naman siya. Winashing na. Excuse me pa. Switch.
Ah, okay. Talisay, Cebu.
15 minutes lang.
Noong 2017, pumunta kami ng Cebu. Doon kami, nagano lang,
Haba ng puso na ipagpatuloy na
'di ba after yan ng SMC side, yung Talisay,
kinabukasan ng
pumunta kami ng Simala.
tumutulong, laging may pag-asa. Yan ang FPJ.
Junli Wong Channel, good evening.
It will happen. Mapapasubutan mo sa handaan.
Wow, maganda yan sir ha.
Made with 4-string and Talispores.
Demand yung mo, yung job mo.
And helps improve digestion. Versiflora Probiotics. It's like, oops, happens. Mahalagang paalala, ang Versiflora Gut Restore ay gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Ang sipag, kailangan may pinaghuhugutan.
Kopi ko Black Korean one. Buhay! Buhay!
Buhay.
Buhay! Kopi ko Black Korean one. Ang kape para buhay ang loob.
Sandali Sir Ethel ha. Junli Wong. I-play ko kayo. Set ko lang yung laptop ko.
Sa lagnat namin, Matic Biogesic. Kahit magbuntis ako, ngayong mami na ako, iibahin ko pa bang ibibigay ko? Matic Biogesic for Kids. Ingat ng Biogesic, nasa Dr. Prescribed Biogesic for Kids din. Matic ibukos, Matic inamin. Basta iniingatan ko, ipagkakatiwala ko lang sa pinagkakatiwalaan ko. Uy, Matic, sa lagnat ng bata, dapat Matic Biogesic for Kids.
Alagang mo nilagyan.
Lunch? Budget ko dito lang ha. Pero sarap sana ang dito. Got you.
All new Jollibee Chicken Filet.
So pretty. So saucy.
69 lang.
Number 68, wag kakalimutan. Sa Kongreso, dapat suportahan. Ang CIS, handa kang tulungan. Sa dala ng maliliit nating kababayan. Tatakbol mo ang CIS, tatakbol mo ang CIS, tatakbol mo 6 days sa Kongreso. Ang tanging party list nakakampi ng inapi. Saan ka pa? CIS party list ka na.
With aging, nagkaka-muscle decay, which can lead to higher risk of illness. Yan ang cycle of weakness. Weak, you ensure gold with Strike Pro na may HNB and YDG.
Build the cycle of strength.
Benson Sus, good evening.
Bad timing yung kasi. Baka dandruff yan. Use Head and Shoulders. Tanggal ang dandruff that causes headache. Katigaan for good. Dahil 100% dandruff-free ka.
You're welcome, Sir Ethel. Arlen D, good evening.
Dad can make dishes special with Lady's Choice.
Belmix TV, good evening.
100% farm-fresh eggs.
Good evening, Ma'am Jean.
Lady's Choice. Ready to get.
Magbagong Nielsen. Nielsen Ziplas. Mas bilis ka rin.
Tara, tignan ang ilalim ng selyo o cup ng participating products. At tignan ang price of partner outlets nationwide.
Sa paglaban, rapor na nagpapahirap, sibak ang subok na sumasabak. Sa party list po, Ringbak sibak.
Playing was Bell.
Pag mataas ang blood sugar at cholesterol, puro na lang bawal. No! But you can say yes to Glucopro, highest in fiber and helps manage blood sugar and cholesterol. Yes! Glucopro, say yes to the super fiber drink.
Hindi na yan.
Kala namin wala ng lunas. Pusong sugatan ang wasak. Buti ang merong ayin. Hanggang panangin sa pusong sawi. Siyang tumahid. Buti ang merong ayin. Hanggang panangin.
Monetize ka na ba, Sir Ethel?
Buti ang merong ayin. Hanggang panangin.
Kahit lagpas ka na sa kalendaryo, marami ka pang gustong gawin sa buhay. Pero umihina na ang katawan mo. Mag-Bear Brand Adult Plus na. Doble tibay katawan at resistensya nutrients na tama sa edad mo. Tulog para tuloy ang tibay. Bear Brand Adult Plus.
Sa Bingo Plus, panalo ang pangarap mo pag may kasama. Sa Bingo Plus, may chance kang manalo. Anywhere, anytime. Sa Bingo Plus, panalo ka sa kaibigan at pangarap. Kapilit sa tuwa at mga tagumpay. Sa Bingo Plus, may kaibigan kasama mo sa panalo. Ang Bingo Plus. Sa Bingo Plus, kasama ng maraming games ang maraming kasama mo sa panalo. Ang Bingo Plus.
Sobrang sakit. Flanax na.
Flanax deals with the real cause of pain. With care.
Sobrang sakit. Panatan sa Flanax from Tyson. Sarap mag-road trip. Sobrang sakit. Flanax na.
Flanax deals with the real cause of pain. With care.
Sobrang sakit. Panatan sa Flanax from Tyson.
Basketball has always been a big part of my life. To be great, to be good at everything.
Bell 2.
And you're passionate about
Bell
something.
support, thank you.
It's game day with Bet88 Sports.
Bet88.ph Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff. Ready na? Anong problema? Pagod na ako sa hair problems ko. Pagod na akong magka-dandruff. At pagod na ako sa dry and weak hair. Girl, cut the drama. Use Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff, a 2-in-1 solution with tea tree oil and aloe vera to remove dandruff para healthy, smooth and hair. Okay, pagod na akong maging maganda. Handle dandruff na healthy, smooth hair pa with Sunsilk.
This is the burger. And here's one for the Food Panda with 100 pesos off. Now tastes like a good deal.
Lack of growth nutrients can slow down bone growth. Give him Pediasure Plus with more growth nutrients versus regular milk to support strong bones and 1.5 times faster growth in 8 weeks.
Also available for teens.
Body pain can stop you from doing your best. Pagod na ako. Buti may salon pass.
With direct penetration of ingredients, relieves pain immediately. Gives long-lasting relief that lasts up to 8 hours.
For shoulder, neck, and back pain. Ganda pa rin ang pakiramdam ko. For pain that massage alone can't relieve, use Salon Pass. Relief that stays for up to 8 hours.
Your playground, now online. FA8 has over 1,500 games. A secure and fast game pace. Meron pang pay for 5 option to try all the games. Ibang swerte to. Bet88.ph.
Bakit hindi ka sumasagot? Sana ligtas ka, Marites, dahil hindi ko mapapatawad ang sarili ko kapag nasaktan ka ni Igor. Wala siya mapapagtaguhan sa paghiganti ko.
Hello.
Mr. Montenegro, we have prepared your shipment. We will send it to you tomorrow night.
I'll be expecting them, Stequan. Thank you.
No, thank you. The Montenegros are infamous for being the rulers of Manila. With your help, our products will conquer the Philippines.
We still need to judge your product before we proceed.
I promise you will not be disappointed. I'll speak to you soon.
Okay.
Ako lang paugas.
Silvio,
Kasi,
nandiyo ba sa opisina si Esther Mendoza?
si Ma'am Lester, nasa eskwela ako sa kabila, sa may quadrangle. May Japlex po kasi doon. Gusto mo samahan na kita. Papunta rin naman ako doon eh.
Sige, salamat.
Kasi po, tara. Alam mo ba yung pupunta natin, Mamo?
Hindi, magtanong na lang tayo kung saan yun. Ay, sir, pwede magtanong, saan po yung opisina, yung para sa ayuda sa pagpapalibing?
Sa social welfare. Sa second floor po yung opisina nun. Dali niyo po ba yung requirements niyo?
Dali na po.
Sige po, kita lang po sa taas.
Salamat.
Ingat. Boss, dito ba yung pila ng social worker?
Oo, dito nga. Ano kailangan nyo? Baka matulungan ko kayo.
Hindi kami ng ayuda para sa living ng anak ko. Malaki rin kasi yung gastos namin din.
Tatapatin ko na kayo ha. Bukod sa mahaba ang pila dito sa City Hall, medyo mabagal ang proseso dito. So kung gusto nyo, tulungan ko kayo maglakad.
Hindi na.
Tulungan niya lang tayo.
Sandali. Alam ko yung kalakaran nito eh. Papabayad ka, ano? Magkano?
10% lang naman po na makukuha nyo. Wala na kayong gagawin, pipirma na lang kayo.
Kaya kung makakakuha kami ng 50 mil, sa'yo yung...
Sige.
Makuha na. Maghihintay lang kami.
Pero wala na kayong gagawin, hindi na kayo makabala. Ako na. O, kayo, bahala kayo.
Talaga kami bahala. Matakot. Ang gawa. Thank you, sir.
Sige po, ingat po kayo ha. Salamat. Oh, kamusta po? Diego! Kumusta kayo?
Mabuti naman. Ano po sa Johnny dito?
Roberto, pero gusto ko muna bisitahin ang mama mo.
Ayun, si Mama nasa training center. Sumama ko po kayo po.
Okay. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, may bisita po kayo.
Please, hindi ko na now. Don Julio. Please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sit
Thank
down,
you.
please.
Salamat, Tia. Mukhang yata marami kang pinagkakaabalahan. Umiinit ang ulo mo.
Pasensya na mo kayo. You're right. Dami kong iniisip.
Relax lang. Huwag mo masyadong dinipipili ang ginagawa mo. Tsaka siya, meron ka naman magawa. Si Diego.
I always do my best to help my mom, Don Julio.
I'm sure you. I'm sure. At sigurado ako, pinalaki ka ng maayos ng iyong ina.
Maraming salamat po, Don Julio. Ma'am, mauuna na po muna ako sa job fair. Iwan ko na lang muna kayong dalawa.
Thank you, anak. Is there anything I can do for you, Don Julio?
Alam mo, Maria, ako talagang sobrang nalungkot nang hindi ikaw ang tatakbo pag kami dito ng Manila. Matalaman. Naintindihan ko ang nararamdaman mo sa ginawa yung desisyon ni Gustavo.
Once, wala naman ako magagawa. Hindi ko naman pwedeng kontrahin ang desisyon ng papa.
Tinanyan ko naman yung ano kaya tumakbo sa Kongreso.
Hindi pa. This is my life. This is my legacy. Nasa pagiging mayor talaga ang puso ko, Don Julio. But, kilala ko ang papa. Alam kong buo na ang desisyon niya. Pero hindi pa rin ako nawawalan ng pag-asa. One day, magiging alkalde ako ng Maynila. I won't back.
Yan ang gusto ko sa iyo, Olivia. Determinado ka. Ang gusto mo, kukulong ka. Desidido ka at may abilidad. Totoo lang. Hindi talaga sana gusto ko tumakbo pagka mayor. Mataas ang ambisyon mo at meron kang kakayahan para kunin ang lahat ng iyan. Sana nga lang makita ni Gustavo ang potensyal na nakikita ko sa iyo.
Salamat, Don Julio.
Kaya lang sa kayo niya, pasensya na at si Miguelito ang tataya mo. Alam mo naman ang usapan namin ni Gustavo na tataya siya na ito. Pero pangako sa iyo, oras na ikaw ang tumakbo bilang mayor, ibibigay ko sa iyo lahat ng suporta sa iyong kandidatura at sa iyong kampanya.
Salamat, Don Julio. Noon pa man, alam ko na malaki ang tiwala niyo sa akin.
Kailanman, kaya hindi magbabago yan dahil tinutulong na rin kami isang tunay na anak.
Everyone stay focused. Wala dapat makakita sa akin. So for now, we have to keep on moving. Go perimeter street. So wala nang hostile sa area. Kapila.
Gusto ko lang sana mag-sorry. Si Grace yung nagturo sa akin na mag-sorry ako pag nakasama.
Kasama po yan.
Kahapon ko kasi nawawala si Julius. We were thinking na baka magkasama sila ni Ashley.
Naisip kong tawagin si Miss Miranda para mapalabas sa meeting.
Sino Miranda? Miranda Valdez.
Sa punto ng nakaraan.
Paano ba kung pumunta dito si Miranda Valdez?
Grace, pag-tuloy story. Maling Marquez,
Ang hirap sa'yo na.
pag-ilang buhay, iba-ibang pakiramdam.
Ayos din naman ako. Alam kong sakit ako sa ulo.
Mahinano ka ba sa trip? Hindi ko sigurado kung dapat mo pang malaman yun. Bakit ba interesado? Alin ang iyong susundin?
May bago lang na ebidensya kay Laura. Talagang totoo na to.
Posible kasi na hindi totoo itong sinasabi nila. Ang dahil gawin ng lahat para dito, para matapos na. Wala nang excitement. Liar, the last 2 weeks.
In this germs, we get real aircon cool. Safeguard extra strong cool. Germs off, aircon cool on.
Maghapong delivery, nakakabaho. Kasi nagdami siya at may 24-hour perfume kahit maghapon na tayo.
Mahigit 2 dekada na namayapa ang idol ng mga Pilipino. Pero marami pa rin nakakaalala sa pagiging matulungan ni FPJ. Sa FPJ Panday Bayanihan, saludo ko sa kanilang pagbibigay pag-asa at tapat na pagtulong. Patuloy ng pagkalinga, patuloy na paninigyan. Good, progress, justice. Yan ang FPJ Panday Bayanihan Parties. Yan ang tatak, FPJ Panday Bayanihan Parties. Number 3 sa balota.
Hindi mo ibitin? Hindi ko lang. Sa extra rice, sarap ulam, daming sauce, ang mag-savor, sulit busog meals. 99 pesos lang.
Age can't stop me from being my ultimate.
Myra Ultimate with astaxanthin, 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C.
Now nothing can hold me back. Myra Ultimate.
May boto
proyekto natin si Kiko. Titiyakin niyang muli saganang ani at supply ng pagkain sa mababang presyo. Hindi tayo Pilipino kung wala tayong baon.
May Kiko,
May sharan ka.
Number 51 sa balota.
Masakit ang likod mo. These might be warning signs that your mobility may be at risk. Try Anlin Gold 5X, clinically proven to help strengthen bones, joints, and muscles. Make the difference in just 4 weeks.
Bakit kahit quality, abot kaya pa rin ang Lightning? Dahil gusto ng Lightning na kayo makibahagi ng gusto sa buhay. Para sa pamilya, para sa bayan.
Ang nangabuso walang pinipiling biktima. Ako walang pinipiling ipagtanggol. Saan man, kailanman, kampi tayo. Erwin Tulfo, kakampi nyo sa Silabi.
Coffee Blanca, the #1 creamy coffee in the Philippines. So creamy.
Winner sa akin to.
Correct yarn. That's why it's the #1 creamy coffee. Coffee Blanca. Creamy at gentle sa tongue.
Mami, alam mo ba ang immunity ka pag di tama ang kinakain?
O nagkakasakit.
Immunity gap na yan. Help stop immunity gap.
Dapat tuloy-tuloy ang Celine Plus. Tumutulong punuin ang kulang na vitamin C at zinc. Tulong para ang immunity.
100%!
Help stop immunity gap.
Pag-Celine Plus, araw-araw.
Alagang Unilag yan.
Huwag kang mag-alala. It's going to be better. Manalig. Maniwala. Gagaan. Gaganda. Huguti.
Do not worry, it will be better. Dapat better, I'll be better.
It will be better.
I'll be nice, I'll be better.
Abby Pinay for Senador number 9 sa balota.
No one's immune to hair fall. My hair gets its daily dose of provitamin from Pantene. Formula with provitamin B5 strengthens hair and helps build hair fall immunity for 10 times less hair fall. Pantene.
Sa tulong ng Glucerna, na-control ko ang diabetes ko. Ang lost weight.
Korean abs.
Mas naging
Good
active.
evening.
At hindi na ako madaling magutom.
Dad, can we?
10 more minutes. Basta may tulong ng Glucerna, may resulta.
Pag walang responsible mining, walang selfie, walang chika, dahil sa cellphone, batteries, galing sa mina. Walang car, galing sa highway, dahil pagkalat semento, galing sa mina. Galing sa mina. Bagong pinero, bagong asin, bagong Pilipinas. From the world's #1 multivitamin, new Century Kids Gummies. Multivitamin gummies, so yummy, full of nutrients for growing kids. Mahalagang paalam, ang Central Kids ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin paggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Meron ka bang gawatag gataway?
Kilala ko ba?
Enjoy the refreshing sweet flavors of Sanyo flavored beer, apple, lemon, and lychee.
si Claire, you're the one that got away with the last apple. Akin yun eh.
Kung ako'y nakaawal, kaya nyo rin. Kaya natin lahat lumaban. At tumunlan.
Tatapuin ko Dapi. Supremo, ang Senado. Dito Dapi, number 35 sa balota. Dito Dapi!
Para laban ready siya sa paglaki, ganyan siya ng new and improved Borkid Preschool Free Plus. The only one with nuclear shield. At boosted with 20% more calcium at lysine. Tulong para ang bata ay laban ready sa paglaki. Astaxanthin helps with anti-aging. 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C. Helps promote youthful-looking skin, reduce wrinkles, and fade age spots. That's the power of Astaxanthin. Myra Ultimate.
Dali.
Ready to enjoy more chicken
Ko
choice
makita.
moments? Isa pa. Isa pa. Chicken Joy. Try the new Chicken Joy Perfect Bears.
Your playground? Now online. Bet88 has over 1,500 games. Secure and fast gameplays. Meron pang pay-for-fun option to try all the games. Ibang swerte ko. Bet88.ph
Close up with antibacterial zinc for all-day fresh breath protection. Mahaba man ang araw mo, fresh breath pa rin with Close Up. All-day amazing fresh breath.
Ano ginagawa mo? Ano yung sinasabi ko sa'yo hindi ako nakakatulog
May something. Umishi crispy patata.
Lagnat ka, anak. Okay pa kaya? Lapot, kailangan pa i-shake.
Mami, no problem. Mag-Tempra no shake formula ka. Laging consistent ang dose kaya no worries. Fast shake, no shake. Ang galing ng Tempra.
From Fashion.
May lagnat ka, anak.
Sayang, may mga natuyo na.
Mami, para no sayang, mag-Tempra no shake formula. Laging consistent ang dose, kaya no worries.
Fast take, no shake. Ang galing ng Tempra.
From Fashion.
Ang dessert mo, San Marino Corn Tuna.
Okay.
Sarap at sulit. See? Konti lang ang mantika. Nasap na nasap. Masarap. San Marino Corn Tuna. Hello? Dessert. Straightening? Color? Curling? Is damage building up in your hair? Just pause and reverse the signs of damage. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair with bioprotein care that penetrates hair strands. Reverses the signs of damage for up to 10 times stronger and smooth hair. Just pause, reverse, and hit play. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair.
Pag-umay sa kainan! Bakit ng citrus ang kailangan?
Basketball has always been a big part of my life. To be great, to be good at everything. When you're passionate about something, you really don't like to lose. It's game day with Bet88 Sports.
Bet88.ph.
Solusyon? Allergens? Virus? Nakakaubo?
Ay, wow! Boss G, thank you sa pa-member.
Ilabas. Para walang umiwas. May Clemex Forte para dyan. Gawa sa natural na lamundi. Clemex Forte Syrup at Clemex Forte Capsule.
Thank you
Para
so
sa ginawa ng
much.
dami. Clemex Forte. Tigil ang ubod, hika. Tigil ang hinala. Basta lamundi, alam na. Clemex.
Gusto mong naranasan yung mahalaga mo, yung pagmamahal na hindi nawawala kahit ano mangyari, nandyan lang siya.
Iyak ako. Single blessedness, I'm alone, relatable to a lot of women who are single and longing for something.
Sana sa lahat ng kabataan, pakita nila to na hindi sila natatakot magmamahal kahit paulit-ulit, kahit masaktan.
Impact Men's Act is very important to feel love and be loved.
My love will make you disappear.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Pili po tayo. Dito naman, Esther.
Thank you, Boss G. Thank you, Ma'am Lynn.
Dito po ang registration. Hingi na lang ng tulong kung may kailangan kayo sa mga bulsa. Okay po.
Hello, Ma'am Esther. Bili ka na po sa iyo.
Good. Pinaalala sa akin ni Mami na dadating ka. Salamat, Mami.
Sige po, Ma'am Esther. Sir, dito muna po ako. Okay po.
Sabi sa akin ni Mando, naghahanap ka daw ng trabaho.
O kung may mapapasukan sana.
Naku, tamang-tama. Job, expo ni Mayor ngayon. Baka may makita tayong trabaho para sa'yo. May dala ka bang resume?
Wala eh.
Okay lang yun. May mga forms naman dito. Halika, sasamahan kita. $31.
Matatanggap namin to, pero matatagalan pa ang releasing ng pera. Mga isang buwan.
Nailibing na namin yung anak ko. Maghihintay pa kami bago makakuha. Paano na bayarin ko?
Pasensya na po, hindi na po namin yung problema.
Balikan nyo na lang po ang Gismil sa susunod na buwan.
Ano? 10,000 lang yan? Pagkantay mo sa ganung kalit na pera?
Ganun po talaga yung kalakaran namin dito. Marami po kaming tinutulungan.
Ang sabihin mo, puro kayo palakasan dito. Ganun naglalakad na babayin mo. Ay kasi ang mga pinapalayotin ninyo kasi malaking konsepto ninyo.
Sir, magkahandaan po kayo sa binibintang nyo. Bawal po yung picture dito.
Ano ba wala? Kanina nag-aabang nyo sa labas eh. Yung nakasong meron ako.
Kung nagre-reklamo kayo, ibabalik na lang po namin ang ibigay. Hindi. Ayos mo sa akin ng 10,000. Babalik na lang kami sa susunod na buwan. Salamat.
Sa susunod, ayusin ninyo ha.
Napahin mo wala ng pinuntan. Pasensya na mamo. Ang liit na lang makukuha natin sa gobyerno tapos pag-aantayin pa tayo. Wala na talagang mapapala din sa gobyerno na yan. Mamo, ang laki ng ngiti oh. Pero nung muntik na nilang mabagod si Fatima, gusto pa tayong takbuhan.
Pumunta kaya tayo dyan sa Jump Expo ngayon.
Walang tatanggap sa akin yan, mamo. Hindi nga ako nakapagtapos ng high school eh. Alam mo, mag-arakit na lang ako, mas malaki siguro yung time ko doon.
Ano, wala kang plano sa buhay mo? Ha? Habang buhay ka na lang yung mabubuda ng ibang tao. Yung trabaho kinamatay ng kuya mo. Bakit? Hindi ko kakayanin na. Habang matay ang ulit ang anak.
Sige, mamo. Punta natin, baka meron trabaho na pwede ako doon.
Naasahan ko ang pagpatuloy ninyong pagsuporta sa mga Guerrero, ha? Salamat po, Mayor. Maraming salamat, Mayor. Ikaw ba? Pwede mo padala mo lang, ha?
Mayor, magsisimula na po yung program sa Jump Expo.
Si Ate yung nandalabas na.
Wala pa po eh.
Talaga.
Hello.
Ate, nasa ka na?
Are you sure you want me there? Baka makagulo lang ako.
Ate naman. Itong ginagawa natin para sa Guerrero to. Kaya lang maninamang dito lalo na malapit ang eleksyon. Ikaw pa, tatakbo kang bilang congresswoman, baka tulong to sa mga constituents mo.
Okay. Okay, I'll be there.
Ate, magandang desisyon yan. Imagine mo, mayor sa vice mayor magkasama sa huling project. Di ba? Gaganda lalo pa nga natin dyan. O, halika na. Tayo kita.
Inigo, pakihatid mo na si Don Julio sa parking.
Hindi nandun. Gusto ko muna makausap si Roberto.
Laying, Ma'am Chin.
Personal. Kaya sasama na po siya sa jumper. Baka sobrang busy ni Roberto. Hindi ko lang masabutan, makawala pa sa akin. Halika na.
Walang sanda.
Good day for a date. Not day for a date. Mukha dandruff yan. Mag-Head and Shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and Shoulders.
Patikim.
Ilan sa puno ka?
Baka na yun ang pace. Mas proud ka sa linis ko. Hanggang sa ulo. Walang sabon ang pace. Isang mata, isang kabutan.
Kung ako'y nakaawal, kaya nyo rin. Kaya natin lahat lumaban. At umunlad.
Tatakling ko Dapi. Supremo ng Senado. Lito Dapi, number 35 sa Manota. Lito Dapi!
Total kami pagtanghali, boss.
Coffee.
Sure, but not just any coffee. Dapat yung sobrang sarap na kape. Coffee ko brown. Sarap. Pampahaw. Saktong timpla na may sarap. Pampahaw. Coffee ko brown. Sarap pampahaw.
Sabi ni Doc, healthy eating. Sabi ni Doc, sleep early.
Sabi ni Doc, unahin ang immune system. Immune Pro. Puro para balik 100% immunity. Magtiwala sa Pro. Sabi ni Doc, Immune Pro.
Hindi lang yan.
Iboto natin si Kiko. Titiyakin niyang muli saganang ani at supply ng pagkain sa mababang presyo. Hindi tayo Pilipino kung wala tayong baon.
Pag may Kiko,
May sharon ka. Number 51 sa balota.
ay bitin. Buti pa ang chow halo-halo supreme. Super samdam. Kompletong lamig sarap.
Sarap na summer. Shopping halo-halo supreme.
Ang party list ng masa kasandalan. Axies Party List. Sa gitna ng panalaki, Axies Party List ang magtatanggol sa'yo. Kakampi ng inapi.
Playing Mom Lin.
Happy June 10. Got tickets to your favorite artist, G? Wait, hanap yun na parents ko. Once in a lifetime to girl. Choose your true.
I choose my family.
Ikaw, what's your true?
Ngayong nasa 40s ka na, may pangangalay at pamimiting. Payo ni Doc, Vanular. Bakit ma? Kasi baka nagkukulang na sa vitamin B, lalo kung may diabetes tsaka kay cholesterol.
Eh, bakit nga Vanular, ma?
Kasi ang Vanular, not just 3, but 5 B vitamins. More B vitamins to help you do more with your hands and feet.
Not just 3, but 5 B vitamins. Vanular.
Alagang yung nilap yan.
3 gives you 9
Ano ang ng litaw? Tulong pinansyal para sa kuryente, tubig, at internet pag may disaster. Kasi, all powers on. Ano? Kayang-kaya! Ang Selecta Best Summers 2-in-1. Cookies na lang. Cookies and cream and Rocky Road.
I believe feeling beautiful isn't just what you put on your skin. It's what you take inside. That's skin confidence. And no one knows my skin like Myra E, the top skin vitamin. Powerfully works from deep within to help boost collagen and enhance skin. Kaya skin pa lang, kita mo na, feel mo na, pansin nila. Millions of glowing Filipinas choose Myra E. Join us and get that Myra skin confidence.
We know, right?
Simba! Simba!
Sa paglaban sa kurakot na nagpapahirap, si Bak ang subok na sumasama. Sa party mo, bring back si Bak.
Simba!
With aging, nagkaka-muscle decay, which could lead to higher risk of illness. Yan ang cycle of weakness. Drink Gain Sure Gold with Strength Pro na may HMB and YBG. Help build the cycle of strength.
The Doktor para sa Bayan Act was offered by Senator Tito Soto. This law changed a lot of lives, including mine. Siguro, I would not be pursuing my lifelong dream of becoming a doctor if it weren't for the scholarship. When I become a doctor, I would choose to focus on public health, especially in the province. I am Mark de Trisimo, fourth-year medical student, scholar under the Doktor para sa Bayan law.
It's time to try magic sarap. Ano bang lutuin? Confident na tayo masarapin with all-in-one magic sarap. Kaya naman ang pamilya, magpapa. It's magic!
Period threats can't stop a pro, because she's an expert. She trusts Skynet Pro, the only Skynet-prescribed feminine wash with chlorhexidine digluconate for long-hour tri-power protection. Gynet Pro, the pro in period protection.
Jason De La Cruz.
Kulang pag may tuition pero walang pangbaon. Ating ipaglaban. Libreng baon sa mga college students.
Gilas na makihawang ukas.
Number 31 sa balota. Daddy!
May gatas na pang matanda.
Birds in advance. Tulong pampalakas ng muscle, buto, at immunity. Senior Power. Yung kagaya ng leading senior milk brand pero at the price na Birds in advance.
Hindi kami iniwan, hindi kami pinabayaan. Tuloy-tuloy ang tulong, hanggang kami nakaahon. Si Camille, tatak-Villarreal, tumutulong sa kanila. Si Camille, tatak-Villarreal, katuwang sa kabuhayan. Camille Villar, tatak-Villar, itatak sa utak, number 66.
Decolor na labas sa detergent lang? Baka may maiwan pang germs. Mag-Sunrocks Color Safe. Expert pumatay ng up to 99.9% germs na di kaya kung detergent lang. Kulay at iris, impact malaki. With Sunrocks Color Safe.
KFC salted caramel, spicy sweet and salty crazy, spicy sweet, spicy salty.
The new salted caramel craze at KFC.
Spicy sweet and salty crazy, get it now. Go for crazy salted caramel, KFC.
Ang nangabuso walang pinipiling biktima. Ako walang pinipiling ipagtanggol. Saan man, kailanman, kampi tayo. Pero Tulfo, kakampi nyo sa Senado.
Bangon tayo, gisingin ang mundo.
Mauulo ka, Sukre.
Sa Pinggulas panalo ang pangarap mo pag may kasama. Sa Pinggulas may chance kang manalo.
This program is brought to you by SP Finance.
Flanax Deal.
Sa great player na good friend too. Actually, sa UA days, I remember he touched the ball for 30 points in a game.
Miles rebounds because of this, if he can't score it. And midcourt, Ellis grabs Cade but can't take the ball away as our Thompson with the basket lays it up, lays it in.
Why is Sar Thompson scoring so much more over the last month and a half? Well, because he's finding ways to take advantage of gaps.
Everyday bumubuhat? Hindi ka kasi nag-conditioner. Creamsoft Vitamin Boost Conditioners has 10 times more vitamins for up to 10 times straighter hair that gets more beautiful every day. Creamsoft, now 30% more.
Taas ng lagnat, ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite. Sobrang init. Mag-ingat sa dehydration. Non-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite.
From Facebook.
Your playground, now online. Pet has over 1,500 games. Secure and fast gameplays. Meron pang pay for fun option to try all the games. Ibang swerte ko. Bet, elite, and page.
important character.
Kunin niyo na to. Kinakailangan ko na rin makabalik. Baka makaharap sa pilito.
Sige, Tagol. Mag-ingat ka.
For your last speech, little brother.
Ito po yung uli ang proyektong share ko sa inyo naman.
At imo, ano siya mag-guard? Ikaw.
Ay, balik sa servisyo na. Sarang kuya pa rin eh. Mga
FPJ Spartakiako.
Statistical program for social science. Maraming tayo. Galing mo po sa bisita na sinignan mo kami. Sinignan tayo. Mura ng picture eh.
And that's working at from better than she's
Myra, what is that? What is it? Ang Myra being like the break and with Myra's like in power and what is it? Somebody.
Our community is growing and you know, passion na lang to watch volleyball. I know that what he does is nails. I've just been there.
Here, para moment set. Single looking for an angle. And the Lakers hotline at Grito. Here comes Umama. But they manage to keep it in play. Saan Grito.
Yes, and this is what I wanted to see in the beginning pa lang yung championship game na everything we've been popped up and everything. And there we go, 1-1 versus Ananda, Sir Alan, the team manager here.
With 6 points.
Cisco Wrap is brought to you by Myra Vitamin Lotion.
Kung ilan ang bright skin, I want Vita Brighter Skin. Myra Whitening Lotion with beauty vitamins for standout brighter skin in as early as 7 days. It's giving Vita Brighter. I know, right?
Cisco Wrap is brought to you by Ripcoat.
We are so glad you could join your student section. Everything went great time. The students are Signal One Sports Philippines Fight City the championship for the All Filipino Conference. First night, first game here. Cheeside. Oh, wicked shot. Signal continues to simmer. She has 16.
Next up, we have the title record. Market champion this year. First. Oh, my favorite is chocolate and nut and nut. Pero hindi, gusto ko sabihin yung title out. Si Coach Ochi sa slow down kasi sumasabay yung sa PSC. Organization sa PSC. He should be the one to control it. Sabi nila.
Here we are. It is now 15 to 10, third. Alam mo, tama yung point kanina ni Sheriff Meneses. Report, inulat sa atin ni Carla na may hinirapan talaga na may championship ko. Won't be easy, won't be handed to you as a gift. And Signal, something that he kicks it to buy. Jonah in double digits with 10.
Dalawang players na sa Petronas Angels ang naka-double digits. And so far sa green line, wala pa.
Malapit na si Pablo, 9 points. Ito, si Musa. High and in. Zips it over. Phillips tries to hammer it in.
Finally, our queen here, Bernadette Pons.
Delivering the point that brings us to the second technical timeout of the third.
Ano ang gusto mo mabago sa buhay mo?
Meron po kaming, kahit po maliit lang, kasi maayos na tahanan. Nung bata pa kami, nasanay na lang din kami na nakikitiranan talaga. So ito pong bahay namin ngayon, pag umuulan, tumutuloy siya kahit saan ang parte.
Sa bagong boses sa Senado tayo, Camille Villar, isusulong pang-tuloy ang kabahay program para sa mas seguridad na pamumuhay ng mga kapilyang Pilipino.
Napakalaking blessing na hindi dito sa inaasahan. Dahil din po kay Diyos kami.
Kay Camille Villar,
Anong hinahanap mo, BFF? Bala ko nga sana expand yung business namin. Yung coffee shop. Kaya BFF, baka naman meron ka dyan. BFF?
lapit na sa SBF. Mag-ORCR for cash. SB Finance.
Kung ilan ang bright skin, I want Vita Brighter
still there. Chicken gets to it. Ventura sets up for Shenton. The man Sika.
Easy top spin ball for Brooke Baxter. Swiping off the block of PBL here. You can see. Balot kayo. Balot pa. Maraming salamat po. Ako. Salamat po.
Fans are everywhere. Hitting up this building. H1.
Yeah, take for granted.
Pao.
Yes. For the court set. Side. Loads it up.
This program is brought to you by Bostic Super Volcasil.
Shuloy Hatin. Sister, thank you so much.
Mukhang subukan, init man yan, malakas na bagyo. Hindi mo kaya ang Vulcasil. Vulcasil, para sa akin, ito ang pinakasunod ng panahon.
May mga challenges that will make us a better person. Kaya with all the lessons, now is our chance to make a better and sweeter world. Ready, girls? If you love to sing, sing from your heart. And if you're into dancing, don't just dance. Move the world. If you enjoy acting, act with friends. If you want to slay in cooking, be a cook that can feed a hungry soul. Let your sweetness shine. Juicy I want Vita Brighter Skin, Myra Whitening Lotion with beauty vitamins for standout brighter skin in as early as 7 days. It's giving Vita Brighter. I know, right?
This program is brought to you by Smart.
Busbel, done playing. Transfer kita, Ma'am Lynn. Ika 19 with you ni Ma'am Lynn.
Here we go. Welcome back to the PBL Ultimate Filipino Conference. Game 1 of the finals. We have set number 1 and 2 going to Petrogras Angels, but there has been a resurgence, a revival of the Creamline Pool Smashers. They have thrown in the wings of the Angels, and you can see here the match. Creamline, you see, has outdone themselves now in the attacking department. System play, fonts, really fighting for it. It was at the heart of the
Tuwali by the Angels in the Central here in one of the finals of the All Filipino. Mama.
Oh, double digits for Panada. And you know what I noticed in the semifinals, Panada has been keeping her game also. But still start for her here.
You know, you have a tendency to forget about Panaga in the course of the game. In the meantime,
Yes. I don't know what's happening with Petrogas Angels. Parang nag-iba yung mood din eh compared to the first and second set where they were really in control.
bit of a swag if you put it that way. Is now gone. They're now under some duress here. Give us a 4th century board.
And so they had a net above the sea and roared as the cruiser from the Smashers came alive. We're shown that that's how champs recover, but now we will see if the Petrogas Angel, the so-called challengers, really does have what it takes to win over this series. You know, I was reminded of what Brooke Van Sickle told me earlier. She said she takes pride in her team being resilient. She knows that whatever comes their way, they can and they will tough it out. You know, Seven Phil, since 2023, Brooke has learned a ton of Tagalog words already, but what she has been saying more this conference was bawi. She said she finds beauty in it, in trying and trying again. This resonated with what Remy Palma said during the huddle. Hindi kilala ang Petrogas na basta-basta. Huwag kayong padala sa ingay. Tingala, chemistry at sa puso pagkakatalo ngayon. Seven Phil.
Thank you very much, Doctor. Such a great block. Well turned. I want you to listen to this now.
Let's play with patience, okay? They will give us points. We will create our own points, okay? Be patient. Every point we will work hard for that, okay? Let's go! Let's go!
Nga to kaya, may magkakaroon. Bing-bing.
This program is brought to you by East West Bank, the official bank of the 2024 PBL Filipino Conference.
Three great things about Pizza Hut Melts. It's loaded, but it's not a pizza. It's Philly, but it's not a sandwich. It's cheesy, but it's not a quesadilla. Pizza Hut Melts.
Period threats can't stop a pro because she's an expert. She trusts Skynet Pro, the OB-GYN prescribed feminine wash with chlorhexidine dicleuconate for long hour dry power protection. Gynet Pro, the pro in period protection.
Don't worry, the Unleash with Smart Power All 99. Hindi pinagdenta with only TikTok or Facebook plus petty data and more. Close out.
This program is brought to you by Smart.
Bernadette Vaughn serves at 8-5. Get your daily dose of sports updates. 14 or 7 sorry. Monday to Friday, 6:30 p.m. Venus 5 p.m. Then is available also at One Sport and Sport Plus. Now, it's 9 to 5 in favor of Prima. If you don't start thinking clearly here.
Yes.
The emotions die down, you now get to be more strategic. More prevention.
And I feel like yung body language nila, alam mo yun, yung mood and body language nila, parang tayo na sila, but they're all trying to set. And I think for struggling, there is so much in their minds right now. They just have to let go and say,
I think the mindset ko hindi na pinapoy kasi Greenland, maybe it's time to switch it over to another possibility. Jen sends it high, Penalty scores.
MJ Phillips knows she has the height against Panada. Nilunakan na sa taas ng bola there. One of Panada versus Phillips. MJ hesitating against Panada.
3-point run.
Oh, challenge. Reaching younger than si MJ. Last play, I guess. Yung chows nila ni Panada.
First up, the pro Williams dip to begin at show the replay when it's being judged under this years ago.
Here we go. No, it was clearly in the part of the Petronas Angels. Right decision for MJ Phillips.
Okay, so that's a point.
Yes.
And they obtain the serve.
Unsuccessful challenge.
First serve high and in. Chase down. Another set, another whip. It is outside. 2 straight points now by the Eagles.
Great timeout there by Coach Bocci just to
Naglalag na. Tapos na.
pakalmahin ng mga Angels. Brooke Bansicle has been a force for the Angels. Here, it's over the block. Years in spite from Brooke Bansicle. 20 points na siya. Wow. Parang more. Girl. Violation for check. That's all over yung bola eh. Nasit niya naman, but it went over the court of green line, which is a macro violation.
Minsan naman ang set, diba nakalimutan na backrow sila, diba? Anyway. 39, pushed over. Blocked. Bumaba. Ramon. Bansicle. Ramon says, goal.
And I feel na nabitin din sa ere.
That's the right word.
Sipons. Kasi nagkaroon ko rin yun. Bitin, yes.
Get up to the break today. Second jumper. Second. Right.
She wants her team to win.
Oh, it's the motivator for her team. Mama. Michelle with 6.
Tumama kami yan ng aking for quality minutes here for
No question about it. 2 points to take, you know the rules. Hey, Bucky's match all of a sudden.
Yes.
The one that had 6 and 1.
That's all I can say. Oh, wow. Brooke Bicycle brings us the energy for the angels here. There's all just one handset from Shaq. Still a powerful strike.
Off the pylon. Navigating turbulence, he made the adjustment. 1 point affair here in the fourth. And it's off the block. It's a 1-8.
Bonds is just striking really fast against the hands of Czech there. She knows she can take it. She can break the block there. Yes, and I think that's her first point, attack point. And this finals game running, short running spike there. Hindi nakabahan. Greenline did not anticipate that quick running spike, short running spike for a reason.
To the floor by temperature inside. Pablo hammers it, but contained. It's alive! Pablo doesn't want to waste it. They make it to the other end.
And we keep talking about Bonds being their consistent great player, Greenline.
Yes, indeed. We have reached the second time break of the fourth set.
Dad, natakot ako magsak. Huwag kang matakot, di mo ba alam, nandito lang ako. Huwag kang matakot na matulog mag-isa, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot,
Now I play for the Philippines. It's for every Filipino with grit, heart, and the determination to succeed. I carry the 3 stars in your son with pride. Sorry, Arena Plus, I stick outside sports.
I want Vita Skin, Myra Whitening Lotion with beauty vitamins for standout brighter skin in as early as 7 days. It's giving Vita Brighter. I know, right?
Nagpapatuloy po ang Game 1 ng finals ng dalawang Filipino Conference ng Premier Basketball League. Ito yung higit na higit dito sa court set. Kung una dalawang set na Miami na nailigyan na progress, bumawi ang 3 minutes and third. 16 Swanson.
Marla Pablo couldn't get there fast enough for that attack from Vernon and Foss. No blocker for her, almost there.
They shoot her free 17 all. And nail biter on the fourth. Sabete gets it again. But this time it's handled well by Freeman. The brush against the block. Freeman is back again by one.
This is the intensity of a championship match, Ramona. The experience also. I think you didn't work anything.
Somebody has to become the loser here. Side with one-handed set. Not exactly delivered by that block. And it's handled well on the other side. Carlos fires. Sabete says, I got it. Pablo fires. No problem for the other side. Lanza.
Gemma Berganza here back for the P9. Full smashers after an injury in her hand. Skipping some games in the semifinals.
Johnson remained for Pablo. Bonds has already registered 15 points. Is still in play. One sets keep it alive. Carlos. With two hands on the arm on it.
Finally, Petronas Angels getting their rhythm back. Let's go. Smaller block here. Pushing the happy service and Yes, first point there for Changzhou. She's been serving for Angels and now she has a chance to be in front and taking it.
Bonds. Gets it high. System working fine. Phillips goes. Now the back second play. We are
Daog mo yung line ah.
Una na tuwa ka daw, no? Chicken gas. Ano tayo na number 5 pa rin? Ito na. Shit, number 5 pa na, right?
Ay. Play all.
Second referee, Mathematicals, calling the net touch against the Petronas Angels. So now the Angels are challenging that net fault call by the second referee. Ay, sense of na kapatid sila may kumito. YouTube nila ko eh.
coaches going bananas over some calls or not calls here. Signal full swing. Goes to the net, goes to Rico. This is great going.
A little bit delayed. She knew it was gonna be her ball. Check ball, but 1 second delay reaction. Soccer move.
3 straight points and a 4-point lead. Serve is allowed now. Phillips is about to do that. Jumps on.
Congratulations to the Signal HD Spikers for defending the crown at the Spikers Tournament Open Conference. Congrats, Team Awesome!
Kumusta mga kababayan? Ako si Joshua Pasio. Manood ng One Championship dito lang sa One Sports.
One only here on One Sports. It's championship running. Why not 5 cents? And look at that, how long each one is taking. Really long decision to make in the challenge of that first set. But what excellent comeback by the Creamline. This team to be really.
Sinabi mo nga sa akin, setup na this team Creamline knows how to win. And I feel like yung experience nila sa semifinals, losing in 4 sets against Petrogas, really motivated them to get this 4th set. And now we have extended to the 5th set. And at this point, championship match can't beat anybody's game. You know, breaks the unforced errors and the in-game adjustments will make a huge difference here. And you can see again, Creamline dominating with the attacks, blocks, and service aces. And so far, the both teams naman lessened their errors. So, good game talaga yung championship match up here. Philippine volleyball here. We're watching.
Top 2 teams that have finished that almost the same record top 2 going into this finale. And we had anticipated, as you take a look at this, I'll talk about my point this
Oh, yes. This set number 4, they had Creamline at 38% attack.
Wala daw, Creamline.
Versus Petrogas team just only 28%.
29. Petrogas, 20.
25 pa.
20.
Tapos na tuto. 5 pa.
Ma'am Lynn, Ma'am Jean, Boss Bell, Boss G, mag-end na po ako. Thank you so much. Bye-bye everyone. 10 o'clock na.